Assalamu alaikum kids, welcome back to another new toy collection videos. Let's start. Wow, wow, it is a monster transporting car. Wow, nice. It is a mini racing transporting car. Wow, this car tires is so big, yellow and black combination. Wow, nice. Wow, two soda can transporting. Wow, nice car. Wow, it is a racing police racing transporting car. Wow, it is a very gorgeous. Wow, it is a very beautiful toy. Wow, nice. Wow, it is a mini excavator. Wow, yellow and black combination mini excavator. Wow, the excavator is very nice. Wow, excavator is so powerful. Wow, nice toy. Wow, wow, it is a double digger bus. Wow, nice. It is a double digger bus. Nice. It is a mini popular double digger bus. Wow, nice. Wow, it is a helicopter. Wow, it is a airbus, not helicopter. Wow, wow, white and blue combination airbus. Wow, wow, nice helicopter. Oh, wow, nice. Wow, it is an army tank. Wow, wow, very nice. Yellow and green combination army tank. Wow, many tires. Wow, red tires. Wow, it is so powerful. Victorious army air tank. Nice. It is a very beautiful toys. Wow, nice. Wow, it is a big excavator tractor. Wow, it is so big and very powerful. It is very nice toy. Wow, wow, nice. It is a beautiful toy. Wow, nice. The excavator is 360-degree rotation. Wow, it is a very beautiful toy. Wow, it is 6 tire, red and black combination tires. Wow, its body color is yellow and black. Nice. Wow, nice toys. Wow, wow, it is a CNG auto rickshaw. Wow, it is looks very gorgeous and amazing. Wow, wow, nice. Black combination tires, 3 tires, 3 seats, yellow combination, and body color yellow. Wow, white and yellow combination. Wow, this auto rickshaw is so amazing. Nice toys. Wow, nice. Wow, wow, it is a racing car, yellow and blue combination racing car. This racing car is so beautiful. Wow, nice, nice racing car. Wow, it is a mini racing car. Wow, nice. Oh, it is a small racing car. Wow, nice. Red and black combination tires. It is so small, 90 racing car. Wow, it is so amazing and gorgeous. Wow, nice. Wow, it is a Pepia. Wow, wow, wow. It is another racing car. Red and blue combination racing car. Wow, nice racing car. Wow, it is a very beautiful toys. Wow, nice. My bucket is almost full. Wow, wow, it is a police Lamborghini. Wow, this Lamborghini is so amazing and gorgeous. Wow, nice police Lamborghini. Wow, wow, nice. Wow, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.